Shit, I came from nothing, when I tried to the top, not at the end of the tunnel. Never just out of the house, try to show no change, try to show that in the south. They try to talk that shit, they will know it can't be slept in. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. I said a lot, girl, can't be my mind. Always been on what and I feel. Outside the lines, so one night of time, shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. That's it.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I think this might be my favorite crochet. I honestly think I am absolutely in love with the Kima Ocean Wave hair. I love it. Like, I love this hair. They get this hair from samsbeauty.com. I'm just shook. What has me shook is the fact that you can receive this style for $10. Y'all, I only use 2 packs for this style. Really, 2 packs, and as you can see, it is pretty full. Now, for my ladies that like their hair extra full, I mean, just getting another pack wouldn't be too bad, because I did split the hair in half, so that was the reason why I was able to achieve this look with just 2 packs. This hair comes in a 20-inch, so even if you did get 3, or even if you did get 4 and you wanted to get it as short as I did, cut it in half, and then that's $20 that you're spending on one style. Like, honestly, I just can't believe it. As you can see, yes, this is 2 packs. In my head, I did split the hair in half. I'm going to be showing you inserts of different clips, showing you how I styled the hair and how I cut the hair in the amount of hair that I use. So I did cut the hair in half. As you can see, I have a bob look. I went ahead and I cut the back and I cut some of the front as well to get this bob look. I absolutely love it. So this hair is in a silky yucky texture, so it's definitely kind of, I wouldn't really say that it's different, but it's more so textured hair. So it's like a yucky type of textured hair. And one of the mistakes that I made with this hair is you definitely want to take your time and split the pieces as small as you can. Do not use the big pieces, because one thing I did notice about this hair is it is very easy for you to take apart. Basically, the hair already comes in sections, because it's pretty much, and that's one thing that I love about this hair, is that it's very easy to pull apart. Literally just comes straight apart. There's no tangling, no nothing. But with that being said, you don't want to put the entire piece that comes off of the bundle of hair. You don't want to pull the whole piece off and use that whole piece. You want to split that whole piece up like 2 or 3 times. So that's one mistake that I made, was that I used too many big pieces. And because I used too many big pieces, I did get a lot of shedding as I ran my hands through the hair. Because with that, when you use the big pieces and you tie the knot, you're not really tying all of the hair ends, and it's easier for the knot to come loose with this textured hair. And so if the knot is coming loose, some of the strands of the hair will not be tied in, if that makes any sense. So with that being said, you just want to take your time with this hair. Do not use a lot of hair. This style took me about 2.5 to 3 hours. It took me like 2.5, but I was taking some breaks. So you definitely want to make sure that you pay attention to that. That's one thing that I did do wrong. Honestly, I don't know how the hair would look and how it would hold up with it being long, for the simple fact that this is a yucky textured hair. Maintenance of it will be too well. I think that it would be all over the place if you were to wear it long. All 20 inches go all the way down your back. So I don't really know how 20 inches of that hair would hold up, but I definitely love it short. It is so stylish. It's so nice. One other thing that I did was I made, because I didn't use smaller pieces of the hair, my knots are a little visible than what I would like, and I figured that was the reason. I kept trying to figure out why is it showing, but I had to realize that this is not curly hair. So with my curly hair, I can get away with putting big pieces of hair and tying it 3-4 times and it not show, because it's curly hair. Curly hair is gonna get full and it's going to hide the knots of the hair. But with this, because it is a straight hair with a wave to it, you have to make sure you're using small pieces as well as using the invisible part method to make sure that your knots are not showing. Now I did notice with doing the invisible part method, it was not as easy as it was like it would be doing the curly hair, because you pretty much just really have to take your time. And for my foundation, I went ahead and I believe I have about 10 braids going straight back, probably like 8 or 9. I believe it's like between 8 and 10 braids going straight back. For this, I would say to do your braids a little smaller in the front style with 10 to 12 braids with your hair. I do believe that I would like the braids to be more, I wanted my braids to be more neater, but y'all already know I'm in the Struggle Braiding University and your girl cannot braid good. So I'm definitely going to try this style again when I can get my sister to braid my hair down and I have some good braids for a foundation. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do this video again, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it looks with using smaller pieces of the hair instead of using bigger pieces like I did. I mean, it's still gonna look the same, but as far as the parting area, because I'm not really gonna show y'all my parting area right now because it's not looking too good. As you can see, I do have a little bit of my edges left out. So what I have my sister do is I have her start my braids past my edges. So she's never braiding my edges down. She's taking some of the hair and she's going back with my braids. That's one thing I can say that helps my crochet look a little bit more natural, is the fact that I have some of my edges out. Now I don't have all of my edges out, but I have some of them out for me to be able to go ahead and blend it in with the hair. Now I don't physically have them out, but some of them are out enough for me to go ahead and gel down. And I did use some Eco Styler gel and I used some edge controls. I believe this hair would last 4 weeks. Like, this hair would definitely last 4 weeks. I do not think this hair, you could do this hair with braidless crochet. You could, but I don't think it would last as long with braidless crochet as it would with you anchoring it inside of your braid. So this is definitely a style only for, to me, I feel like this style is only for when you have your hair braided down. So I am going to come back with another Kima Ocean Wave video because I want to do this style and keep it in for 4 weeks and give y'all an update week by week on how the hair is holding up. Also on how the maintenance of the hair, how the hair is holding up. If I can wet the hair, how the hair would be, could the hair curl. Like, I want to give y'all an update on the hair week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, because I do believe this hair is going to last 4 weeks. So that's something that is going to be coming. I'm going to let you know about that. But y'all, you can get something like this for $10. Y'all better run to the beauty supply store before I take all of them out of the store, because this is about to be my go-to crochet. Okay, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.